Creative Memories 12 by 12 refill pages are the most popular scrapbooking page. These pages are found in millions of albums around the world that are lasting for generations. Let's look at the features. Here you can see we have 4 different color choices. You have white, black, natural, and Sparko. All of these choices are going to come in a 16 pack. And when you unbox this pack, behind the pages, you're going to find a pack of coordinating page protectors. These page protectors are clear sheets that will go directly over your page when it is finished to protect it. Let's take a look at 4x6 photos on your refill page. If you want to scrapbook directly on the page, refills are a wonderful choice. You can see here that photos, mats, embellishments, and journaling can go directly on your refill page. Here's a view of the back, and then of course your scrapbooked page. You'll also notice this durable edge. This makes it easy to turn, and once you have pages in your Creative Memories 12 by 12 album, they're gonna look cohesive and wonderful with this perfect edge. You'll also notice these 2 stitches. These coordinate with a 12 by 12 Creative Memories album, and they're only gonna work within our album system. These pages are made in the USA, in Minnesota, by our team that takes extra attention and care to every detail.